This channel has only 118 videos, yet it has managed to attract over 937,000 subscribers. The channel was created on May 3rd of last year, and its highest viewed video has reached 136 million views. This success may seem like a coincidence, but the reality is completely different. It's a clever strategy designed by a YouTube genius. This guy strategically launched his channel and literally conquered the YouTube algorithm. Not only has the channel exploded, but the entire niche is growing rapidly. But the main question is, why is this happening? There are two main reasons. It's a topic that appeals to all age groups. From children to adults, everyone can relate to it in some way. This universal interest makes it much easier to attract an initial audience on YouTube. By creating engaging and shareable content, this channel consistently appears in recommendations. This strategy used the platform's algorithm to gain visibility. Can you take advantage of this opportunity too? Yes, you can start a channel like this right now. Today, I'm going to give you a step-by-step roadmap to creating viral shorts. You'll also learn how to create a similar channel for yourself using my secret strategy for starting one. So let's build something amazing together. Well, now it's time to jump into ChatGPT and, with the help of AI, create a prompt that is not only creative but also captivating. If you're planning to create a viral cat-themed short, you need to focus on the setting, the sense of storytelling, and the appeal of the video. Here, we present 10 incredibly engaging cat-themed prompts that can make a short, emotional, or funny story. Now that you are familiar with the amazing features and capabilities of Mimic PC, it is time to get into action and create unique images and stories using the power of artificial intelligence. The link to the Mimic PC website is in the video description, and register now and continue to join Discord so that the number of members does not end. Mimic PC is an advanced tool for producing images that not only simplifies your work, but also allows you to produce professional and accurate images. In this section, we will explain in detail how to use this platform to produce images and stories, step by step using Mimic PC to create professional images. First, log into Mimic PC and use the Focus section or other different sections it has. This section allows you to produce creative and story-oriented images. Now copy and paste the prompts that ChatGPT has prepared into Mimic PC. Choose the AI model that matches your desired style. Set the image resolution. High resolution is recommended for professional projects. Customize other settings such as quality and detail according to your needs. After confirming the settings, click the Generate button and wait for your image to be created. View the generated image. If you need to make changes, you can re-edit the settings and generate another image. With its powerful tools, Mimic PC allows you to have an advanced experience in creative content production without the need for expensive hardware. High speed. Produce professional images in the shortest possible time. Flexibility. Various settings allow you to create images exactly as you want. Easy access. You have access to all features with just a browser and without installing additional software. Using Mimic PC, you can easily create images and stories that will not only amaze your audience, but also put you at the top of the world of creative content production. So get started now and create your first image or story using this amazing tool. Now it's time to see the amazing results we've produced with Mimic PC. These images are exactly what you'd expect from an advanced AI tool. Each image is meticulously crafted based on your instructions. The images created with Mimic PC will be beyond your imagination. When you look at them, you'll say, "Wow, this is exactly what I had in mind." From stunning natural scenes to incredibly detailed fictional characters, everything is crafted to meet your expectations. Mimic PC is not just a tool. It's a platform that allows you to turn your ideas into reality. From creating fictional images to designing special scenes, this tool will help you achieve the best results. So get started now and use the power of AI to create amazing images that will amaze everyone. This is your moment to show your creativity to the world. Okay guys, it's time to enter ChatGPT and use the endless power of this AI tool to create engaging stories. This tool can create a story similar to your video in just a few seconds, just as engaging and creative. It all depends on your creativity and the power of AI. Start now and create your next masterpiece. Now that your script is ready, the next step is to turn it into a professional voiceover. Log into 11 Labs, then copy the script you created with ChatGPT and paste it into the 11 Labs text box. When you are satisfied with the sound you have produced, download it. The audio file is ready and you can add it directly to your video. Professional video editing with CapCut, a complete step-by-step guide. Now that you have your audio, images, and ideas ready, it's time to turn your video into a true masterpiece using CapCut. This part of the job is particularly important because the way you edit your video can have a direct impact on how engaging your audience is. CapCut is a powerful and user-friendly tool that even beginners can use to produce professional videos. Below, We'll walk you through how to edit videos professionally with this software, step by step. Steps to editing a video in CapCut. Log into CapCut and prepare a project. Create a new project. Then import your photos, video clips, audio, and any other files you've prepared into the editing environment. Make sure all your files are organized properly to make your editing easier. CapCut allows you to import files directly from your device or even from the cloud. Place photos and clips in the timeline. This section is the main place to manage files in your project. Use the zoom feature on photos to create variety and increase interest. This feature makes images look more alive and dynamic. Adjust the location of clips so that your story or message is conveyed to the audience in a smooth and coherent way. Use a combination of slow motion and close-up in key parts to create a sense of depth. Enter the animation section and choose the best ones for each image or clip from a variety of animation options. Adjust the animations so that they match the theme and overall style of the video. For exciting videos, use fast and dynamic animations. For emotional or educational videos, use softer animations. Intro and outro animations can make images look more professional and engaging. Add special effects to each image or clip. These effects will help you convey a certain mood and atmosphere to the video. Use lighting effects to enhance visual beauty. Use motion and shadow effects to draw the audience's attention to specific points in the video. You can also use color-related effects to create a specific atmosphere or emphasize the theme of the video. Overusing effects can make the video look crowded. Pay attention to balance. Import the voice of the speaker you downloaded from 11 Labs and place it in the appropriate parts of the video. Then, add some background music. Make sure that the music you choose is in harmony with the content of the video and your message. For educational videos, choose soft music. For emotional videos, use energetic music. Adjust the volume of the speaker and music so that the speaker's voice is clear and the music only acts as a background. Make sure that the sound, images, and animations are perfectly in sync. Trim any parts of the video that seem redundant or boring. Check that no part of the video is pointless or off-topic. Preview the video and fix any mistakes or flaws. Export the video in high quality, preferably 1080p or 4K. These qualities will make your video look more professional. Choose the video format according to the platform's requirements. For YouTube, using MP4 format is recommended. Now that your video is ready, it's time to upload it to your YouTube channel. To increase views and audience engagement, follow these tips. Thank you for sticking with me until the end of this tutorial. I hope this video was useful for you, and you can use it to produce professional and attractive videos. If this tutorial was useful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel so that we can prepare more content and tutorials for you in the future. Now watch the video you made and write your comments in the comment section. Until the next video, goodbye.
The Great Feline Heist. In the heart of Manhattan, two notorious cats, Mr. Whiskers, a suave feline in a pinstripe suit, and Paws, his scrappy sidekick in a red leather jacket, had planned the perfect heist. The First Manhattan Bank was their target, and with their quick paws and sharp claws, they executed the robbery flawlessly. Mr. Whiskers stuffed a bag full of cash while Paws distracted the humans with her acrobatic leaps. But things quickly heated up. The telltale wail of a police siren echoed through the streets. A patrol car skidded around the corner, its tires screeching. Mr. Whiskers adjusted his fedora. "Time for Plan B," he said coolly.